I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Before you farm, open the bestiary in Terraria and confirm which enemy drops the morning star so you don't waste time. Check whether your world has corruption versus crimson, because spawning enemies differ by world, and the correct enemy appears only in the matching biome. If the bestiary lists multiple enemies, prioritize the one that commonly appears nearby when you explore the surface, underground, or the underworld. Knowing the exact drop sources saves hours of blind farming and helps you plan an efficient route. Prepare an efficient farm by placing a water candle near your arena and drinking a battle potion to increase enemy spawns. These stack and speed up drops significantly. Build a roughly 50 by 10 area or a vertical tunnel to channel enemies into predictable paths, giving you safer, repeatable fights. Equip mobility accessories like a mount, Hermes boots, or wings, and bring healing potions to sustain long runs. Also bring multiple inventory slots for dropped weapons, and clear background blocks that block line of sight to maximize spawn efficiency. When farming, focus on one spawn point and persistently kill the target enemies until the morning star drops. Loot it immediately and keep running spikes or traps to reduce time between kills. If your drop rate is low, try changing arenas, increasing world difficulty to expert or master, or farming in multiplayer to raise effective spawn pressure. After you obtain the morning star, test it in combat to learn flail range and timing. Equip accessories that boost knockback, melee speed, and movement to maximize its effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.